Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 0xc0000221, then we'll look at the following options. The first solution would be is to run the system file checker. So we'll open the command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we will enter the command sfc space slash scan now scannow and press enter. Along with this, we can also check the disk for errors. We do that by looking in the search bar for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we will enter the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r, press enter, and then put in y and enter, and this error message should be resolved. But if it doesn't resolve, then we need to do a full disk cleanup. We do that by looking for disk cleanup in the search tab. Okay, and we need to check all these boxes. Click on OK, delete files, and it should delete the files, and this error message should be resolved. Lastly, if nothing works, if none of these options work, then we can run a memory diagnostic tool. So we do that by clicking on the Windows button and the R tab, by inputting the command mdsched, that is, we schedule a memory diagnostic test. Okay, restart now and check for problems. Click on this. This will shut down the computer, run a memory diagnostic, fix the errors, and then restart the computer again, and this error code will be resolved for good. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.